Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Welcome to this tutorial video where I'll teach you how to install WordPress on your computer system step by step so that you could work offline. To do that, you need to be connected to the internet so that you could download the software. You open your browser. I'm using Chrome here, and then you search for LocalWP. Enter. So once you're done, you can see localwp.com. localwp.com. You come to the website. So this particular website gives you access to download a software for free so that you could work on WordPress with that software on your system. So you go to download for free, you click it. Please choose your platform. If you're using a Mac system, most of us use Windows, so choose Windows. Then I'm going to put my name, work email, itech@gmail.com, my phone number. This should be optional anyway, but 966, so get it now. So your download should start automatically. If it doesn't click here, so it's started. It's almost 469 MB, so we're going to wait for it. Let me see if I could pause that till it finished downloading. Pause. So now that the software is downloaded, finished, we go to the folder. This is my download folder. We run the software. That is local 6.1.0 Windows, blah, blah. So close this. Sorry. Yeah. Why is it taking time? Yeah. Yeah, so it's open. This is the normal setup installation. So only for me, HP. Next. Install. Wait for it to finish installing and pause it. So it finished installing. After it installed finish, you just click finish. So this is LocalWP. I've read the agreement, agree. To help make local as great as available. So no. Create a free account. Alright. I don't want to create any free account, so I'm going to close this. I'll go back to the software. So LocalWP is installed. Now it's time for us to create our new website. So it's very easy. You can see create a new website here, create a new site. So here, what is the name of my site? So I'm going to say learn WordPress. Then you could click advanced option. Yeah, we don't really need this, don't worry. Continue. Preferred, yeah, you could choose custom, but also you don't need this. If you choose custom, you could go to this, you could choose aperture, you could choose, but don't worry, let's just use preferred. Continue. So your WordPress username, I would like to use admin. Password, we use a random password. I'm just going to use my name. Yeah, So for the WordPress email, we're going to change this and we're going to use, let me use my email, tech@gmail.com, right? So advanced option, is this a WordPress multi-site? No, don't worry. So add site, wait for it to finish configuring. I'm going to pause this. So it actually brought something that localhost is requesting administrative privilege to modify. So I'm going to click it. Yeah, didn't change anything anyway. So wait for it. Yeah, then you click yes. For some of you, it's going to that window is going to come up on its own. I just click yes, but for me, it gave me a notice. I had to go and click it before it came up. So allow it to finish configuring. So the site is done. Now, alhamdulillah, we're through installing the WordPress site with LocalWP, and this is your website here. You could create more sites using this. You could create more than one site using this LocalWP. But this Learn WordPress site, you have two sides. You have the admin side and you have the open site. So the admin site is where where you could actually change things on the website. That's where you work on as an admin. Yeah, it's where you could configure everything. Why the open site is what people see. Like for example, you go to www.campusmats.com. That page people see that's what they call the open site. The admin site is where you change things behind. So we're done installing our WordPress on our computer. So you don't have to always be online. Like currently I'm not online to run this. So let's just log into our admin side, admin, and I used my name as password. So login. So this admin and password, remember when we were installing and you said WordPress, then you put your username, email and password. So it's the email or username you use and password you're going to use here. So this is the WordPress backend. So we're through with setting up our WordPress site on our computer. So thank you very much for listening. We're going to move to the next. That's we said setup, then we set our options. We're going to go over the options we have in the next video, and then we begin to design, inshallah. Yeah, some things no, we'll leave that for another time. Thank you for listening. Jazakumullahu khairan. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullah.